The Trend T5 router. It's compact and powerful, and suitable for light and medium-duty applications. Weighing just over 3 kilograms, it's perfect for hand routing, jointing, molding, templating, and many other applications. It has a powerful 1000 watt motor with electronic variable speed control under load from 9,000 to 27,000 RPM. This ensures a fine finish on all types of material. Other key features are soft grip handles, a low profile dust spout, and an adjustable twin rod side fence with micro adjustment. Also included with the router is a 1/4 inch multi-slit collet, a 20mm guide bush, and a beam trammel attachment for cutting curves and circles. The T5 is covered by a 3-year warranty. Simply register online to activate. The router comes with a detailed illustrated instruction manual covering everything you'll need to know to set up and start routing. First, insert a 1/4 inch shank router cutter into the collet. Make sure it's inserted up to the marked line. The spindle lock button stops the spindle from moving while tightening the collet nut with the spanner provided. A Trend 8mm collet is also available. The maximum cutter diameter is 40mm, allowing a wide range of cutters to be used for different applications. To set the depth of the cut, unlock the router by twisting the handle and plunge down until the cutter touches the workpiece. The phosphor bearings on the columns make it smooth to plunge and raise the router body. Raise the depth stop to set the required cut depth. The depth stop can be used with the rotating turret to preset 3 different cut depths. A fine height adjuster is available to precisely set cut depths when used with jigs or router tables. The T5's power switch is within easy reach of the handle. It has a soft start feature to avoid any sudden movement as the machine reaches the selected speed within just 2 seconds. The low-profile transparent dust extraction spout, combined with the Trend T31 dust extractor, will maintain a clean working environment when machining. The base has 2 straight edges, which can run smoothly along a guide. There are 2 threaded holes in the base, which allow other accessories to be fitted, or for mounting in a router table. The Trend digital depth gauge can be used for precise measurements. The side fence included simply slides into the router base. It's used to guide the router along a straight edge when molding, edge profiling, rebating, and grooving. It has a fine adjustment feature for precise machining. A beam trammel attachment is included for use when cutting arcs or circles. Here it is being used to cut a curved template for a mirror. The features of the Trend T5 make it the ultimate medium-duty router. It's powerful, adaptable, and accurate. It's available in both 115 and 240 volt versions and works seamlessly with a range of Trend cutters, jigs, and accessories in the workshop or on site. See the Trend website for details.